Here I have iPhone XR, and today I'm going to show you how to set up custom ringtone on this device. So firstly, you will have to download any song like in the MP3 file. Unfortunately, I can't show you how you can download any song because YouTube will just ban this video, so you have to figure it out for yourself. So when you already figure that out, you download the song. Then what you have to do, you will have to download this app, GarageBand, from the App Store. Then just open it. Here in this app, go to My Songs, then tap on the plus icon, select, for example, just audio recorder, then tap here, tap here on this icon, then here tap on this loop icon, go to the files, select the song which you want to set up as a ringtone, for example this one, then drop it here, like you have to hold your finger on it, and then drop it here. And as you can hear, we have this song. Then tap here, go to the My Songs. This song will be saved as My Song 2. So then to set up as your ringtone, just hold your finger on it, select Share, select Ringtone. Here you can change its name, for example, let it be Ring 1, and then tap Export. And after you exported this song as a ringtone, you just go to the settings, then go to the sound and haptics, ringtone, and select your new ringtone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.